Natural hair is still relevant in 2025. Hello everyone, my name is Doreen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the relevancy of natural hair in 2025. We'll also be explaining the growing trend of wigs in the black community and why many people opt for that instead of embracing their natural hair. So stay tuned. First, let's talk about natural hair. Over the past decade, we've seen a huge movement promoting the beauty of natural hair amongst Black individuals, from the rise of hair care products to online communities dedicated to celebrating our hair texture, and it seemed like natural hair was here to stay. A few years ago, there was a growing trend in the Black community where people were coming out to embrace their natural hair, and it seemed like natural hair was what was in vogue. But what is the situation in 2025? Well, unfortunately, it's not as great as it was before. And that is one thing about the trends. Since natural hair was trendy, so it seemed like something that everyone was jumping into without being fully prepared or equipped for it. And you might ask, why should I be equipped or why should I be prepared to have or to grow my own natural hair? It's because there is not enough information on the internet to teach us or for us to learn how to well handle our hair, how to take care of it in different seasons and what to expect and what not to expect. But when we jump into it, seeming that it looks nice and everyone is doing it, and then when we start facing the issues that has to deal with us dealing with our hair, and because we're not prepared for this, we get frustrated and we opt for the least stressful options, which is quite sad to say because you're abandoning part of what makes you you to fit into the societal standards for whatever is trending at this period. Human hair wigs, human hair extensions, or what have you. They're trending right now, and it seems like everyone has forgotten that they have their own natural hair. And I'm here to remind you that your natural hair matters. We're also going to look at the difference between wearing wigs and wearing your natural hair and how or if they can coexist together. Now let's discuss wigs. There is no denying that wearing wigs have become a popular choice for most Black people, and whether it's for convenience or it's for style versatility or it's for protective styling. Wigs, in the good sense, they allow individuals to be able to switch up their styles, to be able to experiment at their looks without the commitment of a permanent change or without damaging their hair. On the other hand, unfortunately, the rampant usage of wigs in the society has made us to forget how we are able to embrace our natural hair. And now it seems like whoever is not wearing wigs or whoever does not appear a certain way that the society expects them to is missing out or is not enough or is less than those who do. And that is quite sad because, again, your natural hair is part of you. It's literally part of your identity. It's growing out from you. And so whatever attention, whatever effort, whatever investment you put in it is exactly what you're going to receive. You can't plant a seed into the soil and expect it to just grow without you nurturing it, without you attending to it every day. It needs attention. It needs patience. And then it seems like we're so in a hurry to get results very quickly. We don't give time for natural hair to thrive. I've heard certain ladies say that, oh, they can't go out with their natural hair or they have to wear wigs for them to feel confident, or just this kind of conversations that kinds of belittles your natural state of hair. When I mean natural hair, I literally mean like your hair growing out from your scalp. Now, it's a very tricky topic because some people might be like, then why do we use extensions or synthetic braids or whatever? It's because all these things still appropriate our Black culture. I'm not trying to hide from the fact that my hair is kinky, or my hair shrinks, or my hair is some certain kind of way, or my hair has a different curl pattern, or it's different from what the society would seem as acceptable. All I'm saying is we shouldn't forgo our natural hair just to wear wigs or just to appropriate other people's culture. For me, I feel like there is a moral argument on wearing other races' hair on your head and leaving your own type of hair. It is my own perspective and I respect other people's opinions. I'm not trying to say that wigs are bad. It becomes a bad thing when it's like you're not comfortable the way your natural hair grows. Your hair doesn't even have to be long. Your hair doesn't even have to be like the fullest for you to want to accept it. You only get to those stages when you actually take care of your hair. If more people spend as much time, as much effort, as much money to learn more about our hair type, then there would be less complaints of it being too difficult to handle. It's because there is not enough information on it, and social media doesn't really do so well in trying to force this standard. Ultimately, the conversation about natural hair versus wigs reflects a broader dialogue about identity identity and self-expression within the Black community. At the bottom line, embracing your hair is up to you as an individual, and everyone should be given that choice. Wigs are good, but your natural hair is better. To sum it up, we're evolving in a society, but we need to remember which is more important, which is your natural hair. There are many ways you could utilize wigs or extensions based on protective styles or helping your hair to grow or transition, which is totally fine. But please do not ever think that this wigs on your hair is more important than what is going on of you, because that is you and that is your identity. Let me know your thoughts. Are you team natural? Are you team wig? Or you love both of them? Comment down below. And do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe. If you want to see more natural content, this is the right page for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Love you. Bye bye.